Hadin bala syakemno uba balawan Sony, haki pulit Assam, haka Kynnoh bau Donkti ban shalan Dewiong Be-Aiñ, bat kumju ka Jingshah keno, bat mi ka kerteng jo menteri rangba ka jelau Conrad konggal sangma, bat menteri ka tenat ka kwai ka kia u James PK sangma, menta ka sengi na kaliang u James uloong, baki datang ki Kynnoh baklem nongrim, bat kini ki Kynnoh kala banlong namar balajan ka election. Nakaliang menteri rangba habai ekran Halor kane ke benta uloong bakamdei ya ka sorkar bakan hapan pensyai kat bami ki Kynnoh henrei nakaliang ka sorkar ka juptha iki pulen ban shimkhia ban te lakam ladadon kum kini ki kam Be-Aiñ ha ka jella.
The thing is that it's one thing to do accusations that and it's completely something else to substantiate that with evidence. So accusations fly left and right. We all know that, and there's nothing that I have not seen this before. But whatever it is, I'm very sure is something that we have no involvement in. These are just mere accusations.
The timing is coming. Election is coming. Do you see that?
Yes, absolutely. As we inch closer to the elections, we can expect such kind of more frivolous activities to increase. Baseless accusations and allegations.
Come to a.
I think people can make I could make a statement tomorrow, or maybe somebody from some other place could make a statement tomorrow that that there was illegal movement that was taking place, and one press reporter named Jose was also involved in it, and he's very close to them, and has been moving around and has been seen sitting with them and photographed with them. I don't know what you would respond to that. So it's same as that. So that's how I would like to say that there could be allegations, there could be people who would make statements, but that's the nature of things. People will allegate and make statements and all. And if there are any concerns, definitely we'll look into those matters.
What about a probe into the matter?
See, number one, all kind of movements, I've been very clear. All kind of movements that take place, we've ensured that all documentation and paperwork is there. If there are any cases, any allegations that are there, any kind of concerns from any government, if there is a communication being made to us officially that these kind of things are happening, then definitely we will get it examined. But I'm just hearing it from press and from all of you regarding this. So these are allegations which could just come out, and it's really something I cannot respond to without really seeing the facts. And as I said, the government of Assam also has not communicated anything to us in that aspect. And more importantly, as I said, we've always maintained that every movement or anything that moves forward, we ensure that all paperwork is in place. Allegations coming in, if we have to probe everything, in every aspect, there has to be some basis of the probe or anything like that to be done. So, as I said, that we are looking into all aspects, we are ensuring that whenever information comes to us, we take necessary action. We ask the police department, we ask the administration to take necessary action. So, this is a continuous process that we are doing. We will continue to do that.
Yesterday